friends, hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is called Odia Girl of Substance. Today's video is going to be very interesting. Please girls, please ladies, stay till the end and listen to it. It's going to be very useful. So today's topic is very interesting, as I said. Today's topic is how to keep your lips pink. Yes, this is what most of us are worried. Why are our lips getting so dry, so dark, getting pigmented? We don't know what to do. We just know one thing, that apply a lip balm or a lipstick and just cover it up. How can we make it pink naturally? Yes, I would give a solution to it today in this video. Few reasons why our lips are dark are: one, it is genetically; two, over the years it happens. So why it happens? If you are smoking, drinking, or getting exposed to sun and not applying proper SPF, in that case, going to bed with makeup, if you are licking your lips continuously, having a lot of coffee or tea, these can be the reasons why your lips are turning dark and ugly and you aren't liking it. Well friends, in today's video, I would help you with easy 5 steps or easy 5 ways by which you can make your lips turn pink naturally. Yes, you heard me right, it's naturally. Two ways by which your lips can become pink once again. Baby pink, pink as you were born with. Yes. First, you need to exfoliate your lips. Proper moisturizer. Different ways by which you can exfoliate your lips. I'll give you different options. Whatever is convenient to you, you can follow those. First, you can make a scrub which comprises of honey, sugar and coconut oil. The amount of mixing, it depends upon you. Just make a pack that is thick, and what you need to do is you need to scrub your lips in a circular way before you go to bed and leave it as it is overnight, and next day you can wash it off. If you do it for a couple of days, you would see the difference. Your lips would start turning pink. So how does it help? Well, exfoliating helps in removing the dead skin that has accumulated over the years on your lips. So by exfoliating, you are removing the dead skin and the pinkish layer which has been hidden inside because of the dead skin comes up. So this is one way. Second way, you can simply take your toothbrush and move it in a circular way. By doing this for 5 minutes and then rinsing it off, you will feel the difference. If you do this for 3 days at least in a week, you will notice a difference. Third way, apply toothpaste on your toothbrush and a few drops of honey over it. And similarly, in a circular way, move your toothpaste on your lips. And after 5 minutes, rinse it. Similarly, you can do it. This one, you can. Now I will talk about moisturizer. How you can do it, yourself moisturizer, how you can make it at home. There are a lot of moisturizers available in the market, but I don't trust because they have a lot of chemical. What you can do is you can easily make it at home. What you can do, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Squeeze the lemon and take out the juice. That's it. Lemon juice. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 teaspoon of edible glycerin. Edible glycerin, you can easily get it from shop. They will give you. Pansari shop will give you. So mix this well, and then keep it in an airtight container, and before you go to sleep you can apply, and the next day you can rinse it off. So it's very simple. 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon edible glycerin. Mix this and your pack is ready. This will act as a very good moisturizer. Ask me how Swapna it would help. Well, lemon has citric acid. So the properties of lemon, and it also has a lot of vitamin C, which removes pigmentation which has happened due to the exposure that you have been exposed to sun. So that pigmentation is removed by lemon. Honey has a property which removes dehydration that has come on your lips, and glycerin has similar property. When these three elements are mixed, it will have miraculous effect. But not the least, very easy to do DIY that I will suggest you that you can try at home for a very amazing moisturizer. That is very simple to do and easy to do. What you can do is just take a beetroot, peel it off, take out the juice, and then keep it aside. Take some Vaseline and keep a water for boiling, and in that water, by double boiling procedure, keep the Vaseline to melt. When the Vaseline melts, while it is on the flame, add 2 teaspoons of beetroot to it, then take it out and keep aside. Mix it well. To it, add half teaspoon glycerin and 1 vitamin E capsule. Friend, vitamin E capsule is easily available in any market. It will cost you a rupees. 1 capsule will cost you a rupees, and it has no side effects. So you can add it, mix it well, and the whole moisturizer you keep it stored. Keep it in the freeze for a while, and while it is freezed, take it out and it is ready, and then it is ready to be applied overnight, and next morning you can rinse. The very first 2-3 days only you will feel the difference. You will feel that your lips is turning baby pink. Trust me, it happens. So friends, this way easy ways by which you can remove the dead skin on your lips and make your lips baby pink. In case you found my video really interesting, do not forget to share. Thank you.